Hi Ron, I'll try to demo the shortcodes pala and then explain quickly kung paano siya gamitin. So, ito na tayo sa new post, yung title natin, and then ito yung shortcodes. So, pag na-click mo yung shortcodes, ito na yung lalabas. Ito yung para sa 2 columns na text. Mayroon din tayong 1/3 and 2/3, 2/3 and 1/3, and then may marami pang ibang options for columns. And then other options pa for other features. May mga buttons din, mga quotes, and stuff. So, siguraduhin lang natin na nasa visual mode tayo first kasi hindi lalabas yung shortcodes if naka-text mode tayo. Yung shortcode button hindi lalabas. So, sa visual lang siya lalabas. So, make sure if you're adding shortcodes, dito lang sa visual mode. Maybe later, you can edit the text, shortcodes na naka-text. Pero if mag-a-add tayo ng shortcodes, visual mode muna. So basically, ito yung column, 2 columns. Dito mo lang siya i-click sa shortcodes, and then itong 1/2 and 1/2 columns, column option, and then ito yung lalabas. Basically, from here to here, ito yung first half ng column. So this is column 1 basically. And then dito mo ilalagay yung text. Kuha lang ako ng dummy text dito just to demo kung paano siya i-apply. So lalagay mo lang siya dito. And then this is our second half. So, from this one, ito yung bare. From this one to here, this is our first half. And then, from this to here, this is our second half. You can make it like this para hindi masyado confusing. And then, you can paste or type in your text here and then here. So every time may ganitong text or code, after nyan, you can put the content or the text. Inside the column din naman, you can put images. So after this one is the text na, and then you want an image before or after the text. So, kuha ka lang sa, or upload, or for now, let's get from the media library lang muna. So, for example, this one. Insert the post. So, ito na yung lalabas. And then, same din sa second half of the column. Pwede ka din maglagay ng images. So, for example, this one na din. Same lang. And then, aside sa columns or images, inside the column, pwede ka din maglagay ng buttons. The way to put the button shortcode is to again, dito na sa shortcode button, and then click on button. Automatic may lalabas siyang options sa buttons mo. So you can input kung ano yung gusto mong button. Like small button, medium, large, or extra large na full width from edge to edge. So let's just say large lang muna. And then default lang yung style. Text is read more. for example. And then ito, you just skip it, and then yung link, ito yung pinaka-importante, link kung saan mag-point yung button mo, or maybe an action. And then yung target, if ever you want to open a new tab, if nag-click sila sa button, you just click blank. And then if hindi naman, if you want to redirect lang, just select the self. For example, we want to create another tab. If nag-select if na-click yung button, and then ito yung gagamitin natin. So the color, this means text color. So ano yung kulay ng text natin? Let's just say black. And then pag may nag-hover sa pointer ng mouse, ito yung magiging kulay niya. So black din. And then the background, ito yung parang static na background. Just say that color lang muna. And then pag may nag-hover, mag-iiba yung background. Magiging, for example, in this case, magiging dark siya. And then yung border, usually, same lang yung border ko. Same sa background color, and then same din yung hover color. Font style, I go usually for normal, and then font weight, I go usually for regular lang. Pero if you want medium, semi-bold, bold, or extra bold, and then ultra bold, may mga option din na ganito. So I usually go for regular lang. And then align to center. And then yung margin ko is from top 10px, and then right 20px, 10px bottom, and then 20px again sa left margin. And then if okay ka na, solve ka na sa mga options, you just click submit. And then ito na siya, magiging ganito siya inside your column. If you want naman outside your column, you just copy your button, delete it, and then pag dito mo siya nilagay, outside na siya sa column. And then may mga other options din besides buttons. May mga icon with text, and then highlight or image with text, image hover. May mga social share, social icons, and then yung mga separators, useful din to pag you want a page break. So usually if page break lang, ginagawa ko lang transparent, and then center yung position. So you don't mind the color kasi naka-transparent na tayo. Then border style, nothing, and then dito lang tayo, either top margin or bottom margin. Ginagawa ko usually is 50px, yung parang spacing ko in between the first line of text and then the second line of text. So you can put either 50px pixels sa top margin or bottom margin. Yun pa rin yung result niya. Just submit if okay ka na. And then there's your separator. Pwede mo din to ilagay sa inside your column. Kunyari dito. After your text, you want the space. Dito mo siya ilalagay. And then may option din na separator with text. So click mo lang yung shortcode button and then separator with text. Ito. Then may lalabas siyang options. And then, talagay lang tayo ng title. So, then yung position, center, alignment, border. Pwedeng may border, pwedeng wala. Pero, I usually go with my border. But okay naman tingnan yung walang border actually. So let's just go for no border for now. And then, yung title color niya. For this one, let's just go for black. And then, if okay ka na, submit. And then, there's your text separator with text. Yung mga effects niya, so pag na-publish na to, I'll try publishing lang muna for now. I'll just delete it later. If natapos na yung demo, just to show you yung ano yung magiging effects niya. So let's view the post. So basically, ito na yung kalabasan niya. May 2 columns tayo. Each column may image siya. And then, yung text, dummy text na nilagay ko. Then, one sample ng button. And then, ito na yung itsura ng separator with text. So, basic lang. Just yung mga tingin ko magagamit mo for making an article. And then, I think you're good to go already. Thanks, Ron. Just let me know if may mga other concerns ka.